back with a new video. So yes, and if you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe, like this video. Happy Thanksgiving. So it just looks like this, round, has like take the little wrapper on it. So I'm just gonna take it off. I haven't had a new phone in a while. Okay, so then it looks like this. Like I said, 128 gigabytes, if you can see it. Focus. Isn't it? They do not want me to get this phone out. Okay, so see, that's just the stuff. Has these little stickers. See, I never know what to use with the stickers, so if anybody knows, tell me, please. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that in there. So, my phone is, so it's my phone. See, like, looks like that. I heard these have more fingerprints, so I don't want to take out the wrapper because it's jet black. So I heard it has more fingerprints. I don't want the rose gold this time. And it looks like this. Okay, so see the difference? So small compared to this. It has 2 camera lenses. I don't like it. And the button, not really a button like last time. Like last time you have a button like that. So you have the little adapter. It's more smoother, I think. Unless that's just a wrapper. I don't want to really take it out. It's just a little wrapper thing. It's like that. You know what a charger looks like. It's like that. Then we have my headphones. It's not the AirPods, but it's just for my headphones. And like that. And then it looks like the AirPods, but when you first get it, but it's not. So it just looks like that. Then you turn the focus. Then we have my charger. And then we're just gonna cut out my phone right now. Okay. Let me put all my stuff back. Okay. So we're just gonna cut out my phone. I like this better. If you ever get a smaller phone, don't, because I like this better. So I'm just gonna set it up right now so y'all can see the camera lens. No. Okay, I'm finally in. Hey. Oh wow. Okay. So it looks like that when you go over, and then all things like they have the pretty much the what they give you. So they have. So I'm just gonna take a picture of it, and then I want to see what it. So, ooh, that looks nice. I'll have it right here so you can see it. So that's what it looks like. And if you want me to do what's on my iPhone, like, and don't forget to subscribe and comment if you want any more videos like this. Bye guys, peace.